Hey guys, we are at the Shanghai airport and I wanted to show you guys what our flight's gonna look like. This is a flight we booked with points. Basically, we booked it using the Amex card. If you guys want to see the tutorial, go ahead and check it out. We're going into the lounge right now. All right, here's a look of the lounge. So this is the lounge that they included with the flight, but we actually have access to this lounge with the Amex Business Platinum card that we have. So we were able to get in this lounge anyway. We decided to use our pass that was included with our upper class flight with Virgin Atlantic. So here's a look at the food. It's pretty nice. We decided to go in the back over here with the couches, so it's like more comfy over here. So basically we booked this about 7 months ago, I think in Taiwan, and I found this on Virgin Atlantic. It was like 52K points per person. Again, if you missed the tutorial on how to book it, I have it over here. You can check it out in the link in the description. And I've never really done this before, like with these nicer flights. But I'm trying to get into it more because we're traveling a lot more. So we're planning to keep doing this whole thing where we're opening cards and getting the welcome bonuses and spending on them to get more and more points so we can get free hotel stays and free flights and stuff like that. We've been able to book a lot of free hotel and flights throughout this trip. Like right now we're in Shanghai, right? We got 4 nights for free here. The one in Korea was also about 4 nights or 5 nights. So we've been able to get a lot of free stays for not too many points. So we're going to chill here and then afterwards we're going to go head to the flight. All right, we just got out of the lounge and that was like one of the biggest lounges I've been to. There's like another floor and then there are massage chairs, so that was pretty sick. We chose seats that were like 8A and 7G. I believe it should be 2 different aisles. I'm facing one way and then he's facing the other where we can see each other. So that's why we got 8 and 7 and A and G versus you get the same ones next to each other where you can't see each other. So we're gonna have to see if it works out. Okay, we totally messed up in the arrangement. We totally thought that we'd like see each other and we watched videos about it. Yeah, next time we'll book next to each other, but sounds kind of stupid, but you know what I mean? It is what it is. Okay, so we got it sorted out. Basically, another person had the exact same issue, and we were like, can we like switch? And we're in the middle now, so it's not on the side, which is a little bit worse, but it's fine. I think it's the better trade-off because I'd rather talk to him. All right, they included this goodie bag, so let's see what this is about. All right, we got an eye mask, some socks. These are really big socks. We got some creams. Ooh, cool. Alright, we can brush our teeth. A pen, earplugs, toothpaste, all set. Alright, what are you gonna order for the after takeoff?
Alright, I think I'm gonna get the Shanghai style fried hoki fish for the appetizer. And then either Sichuan prawns or the grilled chicken breast for the main entree. And then we can switch off on the desserts. I'll get the chocolate caramel tart and you get the walnut pie and then I'll eat both of them.
Probably gonna get the fish, probably the prawns, and then I'll do whatever you said for the dessert. This is the starter. It is the fish. Alright, so this is the bathroom. I mean, I feel like it looks the same, but oh, okay, this got some nice lighting here. We got some products like over here and stuff like that, but I think it's more spacious. Like, yeah, more room, but there isn't like a ton of difference. I think the space though helps a lot. Plus the full body mirror is like kind of nice to be able to like check on yourself. One of the coolest things is you can do like a little dinner date, because like I'm sitting across from him right now. I can buckle up here too, so we can just like chill here. It feels like Europe. Little tablecloth right here. We're just having dinner in the sky. Or like lunch in the sky, I guess. Pretty nice. How have you been feeling?
Very chill. It's nice. I don't want to get used to this though. Should be reserved for special occasions.
This would never happen normally. Only in first class. Go crack my knuckles. Alright, you get blankets. So I'm gonna open this up. Alright, let's first see what this situation is like. Alright, now it's nighttime, but we're gonna go check out the bar real quick. And before we go to the bar, he wants to transform this into a bed. Alright, so we're at the bar. I'll probably get a glass of champagne or something. What are you gonna get? Coke? Are you gonna be able to sleep? Alright, this is the course before we land. This is about 2 hours before we land. He's already eating his, but they said they ran out of cups, so they got the plastic one here. So they said don't worry about that. So basically I had trouble sleeping like all night. I think that's just a me issue because I have like insomnia, so it's pretty frustrating, but it's not the flight's fault at all. It's like more me. I just have like sleep issues. So I'm very tired right now, but let's eat some food. How was your food?
Food is delicious. Slept beautifully. I was able to lay down, knock out multiple times while watching movies. Yeah, I feel great. Well rested.
He is very lucky he got to sleep so much. I watched like 4 movies though at least, so it passed the time, but I'm very exhausted. Alright, we just landed. What did you think of the flight?
Obviously this flight was amazing. We got to splay out and rest on our feet and sleep and watch a bunch of movies. It didn't feel that bad at all. And obviously get like premium food and we can rest, not to worry about other people breathing on our face or me breathing on someone else's face. Yeah, it's a good time.
I ended up being able to sleep a little bit at the end, so I'm like really happy about that. That was like the hardest part for me, but that's like my own problem. But overall, like so amazing. Like we never got to experience anything like this before, so it's like awesome. We're leaving the airport now, so if you guys like this episode, I'm gonna link the Amex card in the description below so you guys can check it out, sign up, and get that welcome bonus so you guys can do the exact same thing. I also have that tutorial of how to do it on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell button to be notified of my latest videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.